So today we are going to look at using the local bus service from Fuengirola to La Cala de Mijas with a few useful tips to help along the way. If you are planning a visit, interested or enjoy watching these videos on the Costa del Sol, then please like, hit the bell, and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Have a look at our website for more information on all the resorts, towns and villages, all with Google Maps to direct you from your current location. La Cala de Mijas is an excellent first-choice destination to get to by bus from Fuengirola. It's a beautiful village to look around, and with a bit of planning you can build your confidence up to take more bus trips. Fail to plan, plan to fail, so let's plan. First, go onto your costadelsolguide.com homepage. Scroll down to getting around the Costa del Sol, click the image, then click by bus image. Then click from Fuengirola, scroll down to La Cala de Mijas. The bus number is M220, which terminates at Marbella. Click the timetable. The timetable shows three important pieces of information: the times, the duration and the frequency. The bus frequency is around 25 to 30 minutes during the day, and it's a 15-minute journey from the terminal at Fuengirola to La Cala de Mijas. The frequency and duration on the return will be the same. If you click the timetable and the bus map appears, then click on the route table button. Click back to our website. The map at the bottom of the page will direct you to the bus terminal in Fuengirola. But for now, click the La Cala de Mijas bus stop under the A7 motorway link, or click the La Cala image, scroll down to the two maps. The top map is where you get off in La Cala, and the bottom map is where you get on to get back to Fuengirola. Right. That's enough prep, so let's go. If you need to, use the map on the website to direct you to Fuengirola bus station, and get a ticket from the ticket office here. The M220 bus will arrive to the right of the ticket office. The ticket costs €1.55 and you can only buy one way. Just a little tip. Sit on the same side as the bus driver for some great views of the Med. So now you are on the bus, open up the bus to La Cala de Mijas page on our website. Scroll down and click on the red icon on the top map. And get directions. It will tell you exactly when to get off. It's that easy.
Your destination is on the right.
As you walk from the bus stop into the village, you will see this roundabout. The return bus stop is on the other side of it. So have a look. In there will be a QR code. Open it on your phone and you will get a list of all the times for the buses using that stop. You will be taking the same bus back to Fuengirola, the M220. This time you pay the driver, as there is no bus station in La Cala de Mijas. I hope you find this video useful, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, but for now, have a look around this beautiful village. If you enjoy these short videos on what to see on Spain's Costa del Sol, then please, like, subscribe and hit the bell for more videos. New content is released on a regular basis. The Costa del Sol is a great place to visit, but it's not just sun, sea, and sand. From December to the end of April, the ski resorts in the Sierra Nevada open up its 100 kilometers of piste. It's just 2 hours away from the beaches and is another great place to visit. information on skiing in the the Sierra Nevada, including accommodation and directions. Have a look at our website.
Compañeros de fatiga, desde los tiempos de Prince, 20 años de camino, para así poder brindar a los hijos de los campeones. Bienvenidos. Qué larga ha sido la marcha, compañeros de fatiga, desde los tiempos de Prince, 20 años de camino, para así poder brindar a los hijos de los campeones. Bienvenidos. Qué larga ha sido la marcha, compañeros de fatiga, desde los tiempos de Prince, 20 años de camino, para así poder brindar a los hijos de los campeones.
And thanks for watching.